Hey, good morning, Ryan. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Crazy ending to the week Friday. Very nice move, and right back down. Okay, so today you want to watch. This is very interesting because in theory, with that huge pop, we should have opened up, but it gave back the huge pop. So now you need to just kind of chill. I mean, it looks like a nothing week again. Wow, crazy. Sam going on a Tuesday and saying nothing happening. Very, very crazy. When you get news like Lilly, Barron's doing a thing saying that it's going to go to, 1,105, which is $1 trillion, and it's next, and it's not up. Got to pay attention, okay? Every single tech stock, Microsoft, Meta, Google, Amazon, Lam Research, NVIDIA, doesn't matter what it was, did not go up. Did not go up on earnings, okay? You had a Vago this week. Are they going to go up? Maybe, maybe not. I doubt it. I mean, here's the thing. There's this whole thing of, we can't get going. Lots of stuff. And Netflix gets a $900 target and goes down. Okay, so you just got to understand that, okay? Understand that. Think about it. Alta, see, when they start buying garbage because people are buying it, that's telling you they don't think that the market's got any legs. Alta, really shitty earnings, and they said really, really shitty stuff. It's at 335, down like 30. And then it goes up and people like Warren Buffett's buying. So let's buy stuff that Warren Buffett's buying, even if it's shit, and he's going to use it, hold it for 5 years, and that's what we're going to buy. Very interesting, right? So just understand that that's what's going on because they can't see anything that's going up on its own right now. I mean, chips are going down. It doesn't matter what NVIDIA says. It's working lower. 4 to 6 weeks avoid. It's going to do that. It's going to do nothing for 4 to 6 weeks. Okay? Lam Research can't seem to get out of its own way. That's telling you something. Then they buy MDB. Think about that. MDB. Garbage CEO 101 came on Kramer one time a year and plus ago. He goes, we're not interested in making money. We need to grow our business. You've been growing your business for 10 years. You still don't make any money. And if you go non-GAAP, you're losing money. I mean, it's just finagling all this bullshit these CEOs are doing, okay? So don't get caught up into that. Doesn't mean it's going down. It also doesn't mean it's going up. So you got to chill. You got to buy a little bit closer to the money, and you got to get out fast. Got to get out fast. Bitcoin can't get out of its own way. I keep telling you, if you look at your charts, you're getting pulverized. You're getting pulverized. This guy that does charts last week goes, I'm going out on a limb saying Bitcoin is going to explode up. The chart is perfect setup. Every single pattern is perfect. And I just laughed and I kind of said, Bitcoin is right there. It's trying to go, but you have to prove it to me. And that's what it has to do. It has to prove it to you. I mean, just because the setup is there doesn't mean it works. Okay? It doesn't mean a chart ever works for you, ever, more than 50% of the time. It will probably work for you for 1 hour of one day, but it's the news that drives everything up. If Lilly were to come out and say, next year we're going to make less money, doesn't matter what the chart says, they're going to make less money. Okay? So understand that. That's the market you got. SMCI, I think they filed something Friday. I don't know what they filed, but just keep an eye on that one. What is that? Somebody said there was news on ASTS too. So just don't really know. So, but we'll look at all this stuff here in a little while. Okay. Still got some stuff going on, guys. So just understand that. So that's out there. Okay. So that's what we know. So nothing great is happening. The action is not good. So that means you buy less, you buy closer to the money, you go slower, and you buy smaller. Don't think you're just going to catch one and because you're going to get wiped out. Don't get wiped out before you have an opportunity to do really, really well. There's times to chill. Look at Microsoft. People sending me messages saying Microsoft came back the next day. No, it didn't. 4 to 6 weeks hasn't moved. Hasn't moved. Okay? This 4 to 6 weeks is 100% accurate, guys. 100% accurate. Okay? So that's what I know. That's what I know. But when nothing goes up, now nothing's going way down, but it doesn't go up, then it just kills premium. So don't. It's okay to do less. You know, we're sitting on this Lily here. That's it. We got a little bit of MicroStrategy, but we're just sitting here with Lily because Lily popped Friday, went way down, and you're up $2.50. You can go sell those. It's a nice play, $2.50. Okay, but if it doesn't open through 966, 967 today in the first half hour, it probably won't go all week and everything goes to zero. Don't do that. Okay? Interesting. So that's what we know. Okay, let's get going. New month, 9999. Hold on a second here. Okay, so let me get by the TV here. I think we were down 30, right? 30 SPX. NASDAQ is down 137. Okay, I haven't logged everything in yet, so I don't know. Hold on. Anyway, okay, so SPX 30 down, 56.48 is where it closed, so 56.08, somewhere around the 56.08, 56.19 area. Okay, so that's probably an interesting number. 56.09 is a big number. 56.21 would be back up, and then 56.52. Underneath, 55.81 would be bad, and 55.50. Avago 166, 171 under 151. NVIDIA 126, 131 underneath 113. Under 113 and 131 is no man's land. CrowdStrike 181 up, 151 down. PanW 172 up, 151 down. ASML 932 up, 952 down. Lilly 966, 972. MDB. So MDB did this about 5 quarters ago. It popped up. I don't know if you remember, we had the following weeks, and it never even went up $2 from the following week. Isn't that interesting? I think this is the same thing. This goes lower when they figure out that they make no money in not GAAP. They're just making up numbers, fudging up numbers. Okay, 301, 262. Lam Research 831, 781. Goldman Sachs can't seem to get through 511, 516. Underneath 504. Netflix 709, big number. UPSD 46, big number. Snowman 109, 105. ARM 131 up, 116 down. Alta 336. Coin needs 209. MicroStrategy needs 144. NDX 19,100 down, 20,000 even up. SMCI 400 down, 391, 462 up. Microsoft 422, 391. Tesla still needs a couple more weeks. NOW, because look, the event's on the 10th. Nobody's buying it to hold it for a month, okay? And nobody's going to buy because what if he cancels the event? If he cancels the event, it's freaking 200 in seconds, okay? NOW 862 can't seem to get through. Okay, comments, questions. That's what we know. Nothing out there. Okay, everybody have a great trading day. Same chat.